Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. Today I am going to share with you 5 ways to invest $5,000. Let's get into the topic right away. Here are 5 ways to invest $5,000. 1. Stocks. Stocks are shares of ownership in a company. When you buy stocks, you are essentially buying a piece of the company. Stocks can be a great way to grow your money over time, but they can also be risky. 2. Bonds. Bonds are loans that you make to a company or government. When you buy a bond, you are essentially lending money to the company or government. Bonds are generally considered to be less risky than stocks, but they also offer lower returns. 3. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are baskets of stocks or bonds that are managed by a professional. Mutual funds can be a good way to diversify your portfolio and reduce your risk. 4. Exchange-traded funds or ETFs. ETFs are similar to mutual funds, but they are traded on an exchange like stocks. ETFs can be a good way to invest in a particular asset class, such as stocks or bonds, without having to buy individual securities. 5. Start a business. Starting your own business can be a great way to achieve financial independence. However, it's important to do your research and plan carefully before you take the plunge. Here are some business ideas that you can start with less than $5,000. Freelance writing or editing. If you have a knack for writing, you can start freelancing as a writer or editor. There are many websites and platforms that connect freelancers with clients. Web design or development. If you have experience with web design or development, you can start offering your services to businesses as a web designer or developer. This is a great option if you are looking for a more technical business to start. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you don't have to carry any inventory. When a customer places an order, you simply purchase the product from a supplier and have it shipped directly to the customer. This is a great option if you are looking for a low-cost business to start. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products or services. This is a great option if you have a blog or website with a large audience. Online courses. Online courses are a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others. You can create and sell online courses through platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Here are some additional tips for investing $5,000. Start small. You don't have to invest all of your $5,000 at once. You can start by investing a small amount and then gradually increase your investment over time. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, invest in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and ETFs. This will help to reduce your risk. Invest for the long term. Don't try to get rich quick. Instead, invest for the long term and let your money grow over time. Rebalance your portfolio regularly. As your investments grow, you'll need to rebalance your portfolio to make sure it still meets your needs. This means selling some of your winners and buying more of your losers. Don't touch your principal. The money you invest should be money you don't need for everyday expenses. Instead, use the income from your investments to cover your expenses. By following these tips, you can invest your $5,000 wisely and secure your financial future. How are you going to start investing your $5,000 today? Please remember to click on like and subscribe. After you have subscribed, please leave a comment in the comment section below and I will try to reply to your comments. I'd see you in the next video. Bye.